What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the shop and welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on the video. I got a quick one today, just sort of a video poll, I guess. Just leave your comments in the comment section below. I have a couple of LSs here. So this one's a custom one. This one's halfway back together. I was going to do a video on this one, but just got busy and wasn't able to record. So this customer's come in, we're going to do a custom heads and cam package. What I want to know is, do you guys want to see a breakdown of how to cam an LS engine? I will try and make it as informative and educational, I guess, as I can, as well as being entertaining, so it's not boring to watch. But yeah, so this is an Ls3. It's like the basic of basics when you do the heads and cam on these, because they're just simple engines. They don't have... Nice. Yeah, so they're very simple engines. They don't have fucking DOD or variable cam or anything like that. Everything's nice and easy on the Ls3. So let me know. Do you guys want to see? I'll probably make it obviously a 2, 3, 4 part series, whatever. In the breaking it down so you guys can follow it, the videos. So yeah, just let me know if that's something you want to see. I don't know. We're not doing too much on this one. This one's actually getting suspension of brakes because he's got a very, very torquey LS swap and smashed link pins. The brakes are horrible. Goes good, doesn't stop or steer. So this was an L77. We did DOD delete, doing heads and cam as well. But this one's I've already pulled it apart, waiting for the heads to come back. It's going back together, so there's really no point trying to film that one. I got a new toolbox, bought a massive, you guys can't tell because I've got the fisheye on, but it is a huge, I think it's the 62 inch. I'm pretty sure it should be 62 inch. Yeah, look at that. See if I can do this one-handed. Uh, 145, so 1450 millimeter. I don't know what that is in inches. You guys can let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I really wanted a new box. My old one that I've had for more than 10 years, that stupid thing. I was just well due for an update, so give you a little toolbox tour. Some cool stuff, some shiny stuff. These are a friggin' lifesaver, especially this tool. Love this thing. What else we got? I don't know if I got too much in here. Some goodies. Spanners and pliers. What else have we got? Hammers always good. File set. Don't know if I got anything in there. No. Nothing there. We got just the usuals. Saw. Pliers. Sweet. So yeah. That's about it. That's about it for today. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll try and make it as good as possible. Thanks, guys. See ya.